Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a laptop start up faster, Windows 10 or Windows 11. I'll show you guys how to do it. For the best results, I recommend to follow all of these steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type edit power plan. Click on open it. Select power options. Select choose what the power buttons do and select change settings that are currently unavailable. You just need to check the turn on fast startup option, guys. If you don't have it in this list, then you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command. Just copy and paste it and press enter. After finishing this command, just close stuff here and refresh this page, and you will get the turn on fast startup option. Check mark the box and select save changes option. Now you just need to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance, select settings. Select advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the C drive. Select custom size. Now you just need to find how much RAM installed on your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here you can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now check my video description for this installer size and maximum size. Copy the values, it depends on your RAM. Installer size and the maximum size, copy the value and paste it. After pasting both values, select the set option. Now the value should be set under the paging file size. Select OK option, select apply and OK. Select OK. Select the restart later option. And now third step, you just need to go to search menu and type turn Windows features on or off. Click on open it. In this list, you just need to find Windows subsystem for Linux. Uncheck this box and select OK. After getting done, select don't restart option. Fourth step, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. On left side, select startup apps. In this list, you just need to disable unnecessary programs, guys, by just right click on it and disable it. I recommend to disable Steam, Epic Games, BlueStacks, Battle.net and EA Launcher. After disabling these, you just need to close stuff here. Fifth step, you just need to go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. Select the C drive and select OK. And select cleanup system files. Select C drive and select OK. Now you just need to make sure all boxes are checked and select OK and select delete files option. Sixth step, you just need to go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration. Click on open it. Select the boot tab and advanced option, select it. Select checkmark number of processors. Click on this drop down and select the highest available count and select OK option and select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option and restart our PC. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your laptop's startup speed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.